UK's used car market fell 6.2% in the third quarter of 2021. 2,034,342 vehicles changed hands, 134,257 less than the same period in 2020, when showrooms reopened and lockdown measures eased, seeing a bounce in the market. Used car transactions declined in every month of the last quarter, with July, August and September seeing declines of 4.9%, 5.9% and 7.9% respectively. Overall, the period is down 2% on 2019's pre-pandemic figures, making it the weakest quarter three since 2015. Thanks to record sales earlier in the year-to-date used car transactions are up 16.4% on 2020, an increase of 829,780 transactions. However, it is 3.9% of the 2019 total for the first 9 months of the year. The used car market is still seeing more sales than the new car market, which is good news for the aftermarket. Older cars are more likely to come into independent garages as drivers become more cost conscious but still want their vehicles serviced. Petrol and diesel powertrains continue to dominate, comprising 96.4% of all transactions, equivalent to 1.9 million units, although demand for both declined by 6.9% and 7.6% respectively. But demand for used battery electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles continued to grow in Q3 as well, mirroring the new car market. The transactions rose by 56.4% and 43.3% respectively. Now, during this period, it was the highest recorded in any quarter in the UK. Hybrid electric transactions also increased by 20.3%. Super Minis were the most popular body type, taking a third of the market, 33%, followed by lower medium and dual purpose. All segments saw declines, however, with MPVs falling most, down 13.1% in the third quarter. Black remained the most popular colour choice, with nearly 500,000 transactions, followed by silver and blue. Only two colours saw their sales increase during Q3, with orange rising 3.6% and brown up 1.1%. Now, the used car market sees many more vehicles sold per year than the new car market, and again, as I said, it is a real boost for the independent workshops who can count on these vehicles coming through their doors. But the increase in used BEV and FEV transactions means that there is definitely a need to make sure you are trained up in electric vehicle technology, or you risk missing this work when it comes through your doors.